Hi Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 30th of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Gemini, this is your channel song. Tell you what I did last night. I came home, say, about 2:45, still so high, hypnotized in a trance from his body, so brutally brown and tantalizing. You would thought I needed help from the feeling that I felt, so shook I couldn't catch my breath. Ooh, there goes my skirt, jump over my head. Oh my, ooh, there goes my skirt, dropping to my feet. Oh my, ooh, some kind of touch drops to my face. Oh my, ooh, I'm turning red, who can this be? Yeah. But the thing, it was happening. Swallow my pride, let it ride. Part-time, put this. Do you get my point? What I'm trying to say, Gemini? To the left, to the reflection of myself. That's like I couldn't catch my breath. Ooh, there goes my skirt, go over my head. Oh my, ooh, there goes my skirt, dropping on my feet. Oh my, ooh, some kind of touch caressing my legs. Oh my, ooh, I'm turning red, what could this be? Oh my, I looked over to the left, to the reflection of myself. You're looking in the mirror? You're looking while looking in the mirror? What the fuck is this? So shook, I couldn't catch my breath. Ooh, there goes my bra, go over my head. Oh my, ooh, there goes my skirt, drop over my feet. Oh my, Gemini, I'm turning red. What could this be? I'm a black. So usually you don't see a red undertone here. There's green undertones. You know that? You know my undertones are green and blue, popping to the contrary. They said that we have red undertones. While this may be true. While this may be true. If you, I can show you. I don't reflect red. My undertone, as you can see, is blue and green. Do you see it? Right. So my veins inside, and they will tell you this. They'll tell you that blood is not actually red. Blood looks red when it hits oxygen, so them say, right? But popular to the contrary, even though yes, I could pass for a red undertone, the veins in my hands are blue and it is green, if you could see that. If you couldn't see it, then you're going to have to wait until something happened to me in Canada, and because I'm a home blood clot hostage, chances are they're not going to ship back my body to my blood clot country, and they will not be shipping my body back to my family. See, I have detached even after I die. So you should know your insufficient acts to make me feel less than myself will only make you feel less than yourself. You should know this. Anyways, this is going to go into your reading, Gemini. We're going into your clarity reading. What you'd like to clarify? What you like to clarify? Did I fucking lose my shit again? I looked over to the left, to the reflection of myself. Smooth operations expected today. I always watch CP24 while I do my tarot readings in case there's any stories that comes on that we need to address. I don't know who that guy is, but obviously I'm pausing my tarot reading for him. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. What do you need to know, Gemini? The Five of Pentacles. I'm getting you need to know that you have been abandoned now. Oh, sure, I couldn't catch my breath. Or I'm getting you locked out, Gemini. I don't know if you're locked out, you're locked up, or I'm getting no sex. Ooh, there goes my shirt. You better put it back on. Oh, my, right? I'm getting no sex, Gemini. You feel lonely. I'm getting winter come up and you think about winter. You're thinking about you being locked up in that brand new apartment. Not in winter. I'm getting summer is coming up and you feel lonely. Be careful, because me getting winter come up and them are gonna lock you out. Them are gonna change a lock. Them are gonna change a lock them upon you. So be careful. Gemini, I don't know who you're fucking or who upset because you're fucking somebody. Them are gonna fuck with you. Your housing situation in winter. Be careful. Okay, what do you need to embrace? The Ace of Pentacles. Alright, what's it going to get is okay. The church might have locked you out with no pentacle there. The church never even put a donation being take what you need. They just locked you out. Make it think you'll get help. Maybe you'll get help from a Gemini because it was like this. This is how it like. So make it think one Gemini will help you. Or somebody know that you're on your own. They're going to help you. No, you need to embrace that all things are possible as long as you have life. Yes, you might be homeless. Yes, you can't meet your rent. Yes, you have to explain to your kids why them can't go certain college. But me getting as long as you have life. As long as you have life, there's possibilities. You can win the lotto tomorrow. You never know. So me getting even when the church close them door upon you, do not give up hope. That is what God was telling you. God now tell us say you have to ignore everybody except the church. The God tell us say even when the pastor rebuke you from the blood clot church, you do not find reverence in people outside of you. Even when the blood clot church lock them door and turn them back upon you, all things are possible. Through Christ who strengthens me, not through the church, not through the pastor. That's what God was telling you. Your faith has to be bigger than anything on this earth. Your faith has to be bigger than the blood clot church. So if the church run you out and tell us to come back here because you is a demon, your faith has to be stronger than them. Because church turn away a lot of people from the Lord. Some people don't want to accept the Lord because them don't want change. Some people don't want to accept the Lord because them feel like what they have done is unforgivable. Some people don't accept the Lord because of church. Church turn away these people who want to give them life to God. A lot of times this happens. So I'm getting when the church closes its door, just know that sometimes God have to use the church, just like how God did use Judas to betray him own kind. Sometimes God have to use the church to test the church. You wonder why sometimes some church catch a fire? Because the church was living in sin. They did not help their congregation. They act like as if they were a cult. So that is the lesson God is telling you. That's why Jesus died by the hands of his fellow followers. The church will crucify you too. Your faith is bigger than the church. This is what you fucking know. Right? Some of us are past that though. Some of us, we reach enlightenment in this lifetime already where we don't have emotional connection to religion. What you need for release? So you need to know something about you and the church. Also you can something about a girl named Samantha. She's a Christian. Girl, she named Samantha, she's a Christian. Something about the church. Or something about this fake woman, this fake Christian woman. What is... Alright, so what you need to release? The judgment. Literally, we're talking about the church. So release the demons who are walking around soulless. Sorry, you have soulless people. You have soulless people that dictate your life. You have soulless people that tell you, say if you don't correct your soul, you'll go to hell. They don't have a soul. You're going to be on earth still tormenting them blood clot daughter-in-law. That's what they will be doing. You need to release the fear of the church. I'm getting afraid of the blood clot church. You're afraid of the church, so the church have guns? Does the church go around poisoning people? Does the church put hit on people? The fuck you afraid of blood clot, pastor? For what pastor can do? Throw the Bible at you? What am I going to tell you, so? Or maybe you know something I know not? The fuck you afraid of the church for? You're afraid of hell. You're not afraid to leave the girl with the baby, but you're afraid of blood clot hell. You don't afraid to shoot off of the blood clot police. But you're afraid to loan your money. Your fears seemed very selective, sir. Your fear is, you're not getting nothing until you accept the church. Me getting the church not get blood clot, nothing either. So we're going to see who is going to. Remember, me already know where me ever go when me did it know. Who know I try to get to heaven. Remember that. All I know this so when I try to get to heaven. Remember, me don't accept when me I go. So when I try to change your destiny. So I am getting until you step in foot to church, until your blood clot meet your judgment at church, you're not getting nothing. Oh, the fuck well. Jesus Christ was in church 24/7 and they crucified him to a fucking cross. Maybe the Tate brothers need a girl to go up online and show them breasts so they can make some money for them. Maybe the Tate brothers are recruiting women again. Me getting you not get no job, you not get no money, you not get nothing till you go to church. Oh the fuck well. Oh the fuck well. Oh the fuck well. Oh the fuck well, Chris. Oh the fuck well, Chris. Oh the fuck well. So you can stay in your church and you can go fuck the underage girl living at the back of the church like how you wanted to do, which is why you end up you brought this church thing up. You know why the church was brought up in my name? Because of who used to fuck the girl living at the back of the church. That's why the church was brought up. So you wouldn't make a pastor touch on your tits, or you wouldn't make a pastor fuck you, or you didn't give the pastor head when you were trying to give him confession. So you get blood clot blacklisted. So I'm getting unless you means I use them. You want a job? Yeah? You want a comfortable life? You'll never get that until I go to the church. I'm getting oh the fuck well. Oh the fuck well. Oh the fuck well, where's Buddha? Where the fuck is the Quran? Where's the Torah? Where the fuck is the Torah? Oh the fuck well. Oh the fuck well. You're not going to get anything until you go to church. You're not going to get anything until you talk to the pastor. Oh, okay, you're still not going to get that man to be faithful to you. And you're in church. Me not going to get what me want till you go to church. You want to go to church and still can't get what you want. I will be very angry with God right now. I'd send him a letter of a complaint. One blood clot more I'm done. Me can't follow me. Let me follow me, I'm mad out. If me follow me, I'm unhappy, I'm ugly, I'm mad. You know, so I'm a blood clot pretty, that's because I don't follow people. You should know this. I'm 31 looking like a 15-year-old. It's a reason why I don't follow people. Never you follow people. What's next for you? The Queen of Wands, yeah. I'm getting a need for run. I'm getting you're a queen. You're not a fucking church mouse. You're a queen. That's what you are. You're not a church sister. You're a queen. And you should let the royals them tell you, even though the royals have everything in historic buildings, they're not Christians. You never know that. You think blood clot, rest in peace. You think Elizabeth was a Christian? Of course, she grew up in the Catholic because the Catholic them did own royalty, to be very honest. That don't mean she was a Christian woman. Because sometimes the queens wasn't the talk about Harry's baby skin color in question. Because Meghan Markle was black, half black, and Harry was white. The queen, and there was rumors that the queen was questioning how the baby would have come out. The queen, that is how I know what's in your family. Because if you know anything about once them a white person, your baby, chances are your baby will come out white. But that's what happens when you're curious for black pussy. When you're curious for black pussy, you have your family and you have those thoughts in your head. When you're actually diverse and you know about culture, you'll know. If you're there with a black girl, even if she's African black and the man white or the woman white, you see if the woman is white, chances are your picture will come out tan looking. You see if the woman is black, chances are people will think that the woman is a child's babysitter. Because that's the thing about that's why it means like Queen Elizabeth, you really haven't fucked with niggas in a long motherfucking time. You haven't fucked with niggas since you captured them, huh? Everybody know. Who never know this? They're talking about Meghan Markle and Harry baby skin complexion. Meghan Markle is a black one. Your baby will come out white. If Meghan Markle was a white one, then you'll think about how your baby will come out. Your baby will come out with a tan color. Usually. But if the mother black and the father white, chances are your baby will look like the fucking father. You're going to carry 9 months of that slave. You're going to wait your pussy in the waters. Wait for the baby to come out, come look like your fucking slave owner. I'm going to come out, come look like the fucking man. If you're black, as a woman. But if you're white as a woman, it will come out kind of resembling the father. That's how genes work. But the royals didn't know that. But they were Christians though. So you should know, just because you're a Christian, it does not exempt you from getting the job done. A lot of Christians force their teenage daughters to commit abortions so that they would not be humiliated bringing their daughters back to church on Sunday, knowing that they were pregnant and their fathers and their mothers was in the church. So una can blood clot debate me about abortion topic when the church make the church tell you about blood clot abortion. Let the church tell you about the doctors that they used to go in the basement and perform the abortions on the blood clot girls because the pastors were fucking them and they got pregnant. And you can't fuck up the congregation that way. So you make your daughter commit to abortion. But that's a question for the Jews. It's not a question for the Christians. They will get defensive. So the Jews, when the Jews reasoning, they drink and they reason. See, Christians starve you. You know this? You know that, right? You know when you go in the Christian church, what is them? You know what them use for harvesting energy? Them starve you. They always make you go hungry. Them always tell you for fast. That's what Christians use for sacrifice you. Them have to starve you. That's the church. I don't know if you know this. You know how, that's how them reason on a starving stomach, on an empty stomach. Jews don't reason that way. When Jews reasons, they have spirits inside of them. Premium spirits. Not the spirits of LCBO. It's much, much more expensive. So every religion different. Just because you're stuck in those church doors don't mean that people haven't been into other places. People have been in mosques. People have been in other places already. Believe me. You would think you got it right, so does a million other religions. You ain't nothing special. You ain't nothing special like a girl coming into a fucking audition room auditioning for the next motherfucking movie role. There's thousands of y'all. Yeah, the hermit. But there's only one man who knows the truth. Virgo. Or woman. Maybe friends, maybe more. I trusted the wrong person. Virgo again. The hermit, Virgo. The hangman, and we got enemy. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Goodbye.